Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be super interesting because it is one of my favorite videos. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my favorite fragrances. So if you guys know already, I am very passionate about perfumes and very passionate in general about fragrances as well. I absolutely adore and love fragrances, and I really feel that a good fragrance or a good perfume talks a lot about your personality. And yeah, so that is how I decided to shoot this video, and I'm really very excited to share this with you guys as well. I'm really sorry because there's a little bit of wiring and all outside, because of which the shadows are coming in. Most of the products that I use are in this, but there are a lot of other favorites as well which unfortunately isn't there in this video or aren't a part of this video, because I actually got over those products and I had to discard them off, and that is post, like, after a very long time I finally decided to shoot this video. So I couldn't shoot it, but I'm still sure that you're gonna surely love all of these products as well. A lot of products out of these wouldn't be readily available as well, but I'll still try to mention all of the links that I find for these products. Yeah, that is about it. So let's start with the video. First product that I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is from Sensual Fragrances. This is their Nice Lady Pour Femme. So this smells very good, and the look of the perfume is also very good. It just talks a lot, the packaging always talks a lot about the product, and I love the packaging of this product. I use it for very special occasions because again, I cannot let it go or finish it off. But yeah, this is something that I really love and is perfect for it is very long lasting, stays for a very long time, and overall the fragrance in itself is very strong and very feminine, as well as the name suggests as well. So yeah, this is one of my favorite perfumes. I'll definitely try to link this one, but my dad got this from Kuwait, so I do not know if this is available in India or not, but I'll definitely link this if I find the link. And if you can, or if this is available, I would definitely recommend you guys to try this out as well. It is a very good perfume. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is my favorite and everyone's favorite, the Bath and Body Mist. So we all know how the Bath and Body fragrances are very mild yet very good. But the only drawback overall, what I personally feel about the Bath and Body products, is that they aren't very long lasting. To the price that we're paying, we definitely deserve it to be long lasting, but unfortunately this isn't as long lasting as other perfumes and mist especially. Even though people say that mist are meant to be, just for the moment or just to stay in for 2 to 3 hours, but I really feel that when you're investing in something, in a brand as good as Bath and Body, I would definitely want them to also work. Yeah, overall, if you are someone who likes very mild fragrances, who are into mists, and who are just looking out to spray once or twice, just going around, or a handful or a handy pocket, this is not obviously a pocket perfume, but yes, a handy mist, this one is very good because this makes you feel very fresh. The fragrance in itself is very fresh. I've also shared a lot of different other fragrances that I have with me. Most of them is again from the Bath and Body ranges that they have. But this one is the one that I'm using right now, and I usually carry this along with me because I really feel that it brings in so much of freshness, especially when you're sweating so much in summers. During summers, this carrying such mists are very helpful. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be talking about, this is from Sabaya. This is their Pour Femme or their perfume. So this is again not an Indian brand. This is an international brand, and this is also brought from Kuwait. So I do not know if this is available. I don't think so this is available, but the fragrance, just to talk about the fragrance, it is very strong yet very subtle. Yes, I'm using like two contradictory words, but trust me, when you spray it on yourself, the fragrance has such a strong personality and such a strong vibe to it that you actually feel very powerful. You feel very confident in the kind of fragrance that you're wearing. But yes, again, it isn't that strong enough to trigger or give you a headache or trigger your nose or get into your head no such problems. This is something that is very very good for long wear events and long wear occasions as well. It is very very long lasting. It lasts you throughout the day, and it is very mild as well. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is all of our favorites. This is the Fog scent. This is the Midnight Purple perfume. So this I remember, or I guess I bought this like 2 to 3 years ago, or more than 3 years ago, because at that moment I wanted something that was perfect for evening, and perfect for I hope that you understand that for day, the kind of perfumes that you wear on are different. It is more fresh, more fruity, more floral scents are what you opt for. But while you go out at night, you prefer something which is very very strong, lasts you throughout the night, and speaks and talks a lot about you. So this is somewhat that for me. This is very very strong, and this is again very very long lasting, lasts you throughout the night, and this has like a very strong vibe to it, and this isn't something that you can easily wear any day or every day. This is not an everyday kind of perfume. I really feel that this is something that you can wear in for good occasions, special occasions, but still prefer it only for evenings or nights, because I really feel that the kind of fragrance that this brings in, this is not something that you would like to wear on a day, on a random day or any day occasions. So yeah, certain perfumes talk about such events and the timings as well. Talking about the next perfume, this is not actually a perfume. This is a body spray or a deodorant, but I thought of including this as well because I am a big fan of the brand as well. Yardley is a very very good brand. If you have tried their their perfumes as well, it is very very long lasting and is so strong in itself. It is not for all of them, or not readily it is not suitable, I would say, or it is not something that everyone can opt for, because it is very strong in itself, and it is something that a certain section of people would only like it, who are into strong fragrances and who wouldn't mind wearing and layering strong fragrances on them. I think Yardley perfumes, the one range that I am talking about that you can see over here, is something of that sort. But the perfume is very very good. It is very strong in itself, and I highly recommend for people who love strong fragrances should definitely check that out. So the next fragrance that I'm going to be talking about, this is again an international fragrance. This is the Zeherat Banafsal, which is again an Eau de perfume. This is again something that my dad bought, but the color in itself is so unique and so beautiful. I really love such packaging is everything in fragrance as well, not just in fragrance but skincare products also. You'll always see people reviewing a lot about the packaging as well, because packaging talks a lot about the brand in itself and the product in itself as well. And the box in which this came in was also very very good. This again is a very good fragrance I personally love, and this is again a very fresh and a very floral scent that anyone who is into mild fragrances would definitely love this. This is again not a very long wear perfume. This lasts you for a good 4 to 5 hours, and you can obviously reapply as and when you feel like. But this is again a very good feminine kind of fragrance, and all my girls out there would definitely love this fragrance. Next product that I'm going to be talking about, this is from Victoria's Secret. This is their Coconut Passion. A lot of ranges are already available on Victoria's Secret. I'm sure that you guys have tried this out as well. This was gifted by my friend, and I bought this a long time ago. This is very 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 mild. The fragrance as well with Victoria's Secrets, I've tried a couple of their other mists as well. Again, the fragrance mist doesn't last for a very long time, but the fragrances are very very fresh and very very unique in itself. So it is something that you would definitely love to check out, but it isn't something that would last you throughout, and you would constantly have to reapply and get over the product very very soon. Again, the amount of price that you're paying, it depends largely on what kind of fragrance are you looking out for. Because so So here I come with the next product. This is also the last product for this video because the kind of fragrances that I have, most of them are international fragrances, and not trying to boast or something, but I really feel that I need to promote and bring in products that are very which are readily available out here, so that you guys can check it out for yourself as well. This is again At the Beach fragrance mist. This is again a cologne. It smells very fresh. It is very light and mild on the skin as well, and this is again perfect for summers. It has a very summer kind of vibe to it. So yeah, that was it. This was my perfume collection, and these were the fragrances that I use on recurring basis, and I use it a lot of times. There are other fragrances as well, but I'm still on the lookout, and I'm still looking out for more new fresh fragrances and mist as well. Some products that I personally would recommend are some brands that you should definitely check out. I do not have the bottles with me, but I've just recently emptied them, and they are very good. The first one is the one from Engage fragrance mist are again very good. It lasts you throughout the day, but yes, there are a certain, you have to be very picky with the collection as well, because there are I've tried 2 of the mist and 2 of the deodorants, and one of them is my absolute favorite, which I would be showing over here. Another mist that I personally love is from Layer Girl. Again, Layer Girl has some amazing mists out there. I would also be mentioning those mists over here as well. You should definitely check them out. One is from Miniso. Again, this is their tropical mist that screams tropical energy and vibe out of it. It is so fresh. I've gifted it to my friends as well, and they've personally loved it and repurchased the product as well because of the freshness and the floral essence to it. It is just a mix of so many different fragrances, but it is very fresh on you. Again, these kind of mists do not last for a very long time, but yes, this is something you should definitely check out. And the last one is from Westside. The Westside perfumes and the Westside mists are equally very good. They also have a lot of different collections. I haven't tried all of them, but the recent favorite of mine, which I have tried, I will be mentioning over here. So you should definitely check out these fragrances, and I'm sure that you will definitely love all of them. About brands that I personally want to check would be, first is Plum. I've heard so much about the Plum body mist. That is something that I want to try. I also want to try different perfumes from Miniso, because I've again heard a lot about them, and actually if Miniso are bringing long lasting perfumes, then that is something that I have to definitely check out. So yeah, and then the perfumes and mist from Zudio are also equally very viral and very trending. I've seen so many creators talk about it and use it. So yeah, it has intrigued me as well a lot to check it out, which I will be doing very soon. So yeah, that was it for this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed knowing all of my fragrance and perfume collection. If you liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And also do follow me on Instagram. I post in a lot of different reels on different products. I review products, and I've also mentioned my favorite top 5 fragrances in the Instagram, in one of the Instagram reels as well. So do check out my Instagram page to see more of my collections. And yeah, I will be coming up with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye.